Hey guys, so if you keep up with me on social media, you would know that I went to the World Natural Hair Show this past weekend and I had such a good time. I saw some of my supporters and some of my followers, so thank you guys for coming up to me and saying hello and taking pics. I love meeting you guys. I saw a lot of influencers, so many popular influencers in there, you guys. Some of my favorites also, like Natasha Leeds and Mahogany Curls was there. They literally had like every single natural hair brand, like every single brand was in the building. So definitely check out my World Natural Hair Show vlog. The World Natural Hair Show was so hectic and chaotic, but it literally is an experience. So everyone should go at least once if you haven't been before and just experience it. It really is just a wonderful event, and they have so many hair products, literally so many products, and they have discounted like special show prices. So nothing was the same price as it was in the store. They had like specially discounted prices, which is why I was able to get so many products for under $50. So all this stuff you see, I spent under $50 at the hair show. So first, I'm just gonna start off with Mielle Organics. So Mielle, I got the Babassu and Mint Deep Conditioner, and this was $10 at the show. And they had samples out where you could like smell the products and like touch them and feel them and decide if that's what you wanted to get and whatnot. So once I smelled this, I knew for a fact I was buying it. It smells absolutely amazing. And I really needed a really good deep conditioner, and I haven't tried Mielle deep conditioner yet, so I'll definitely be doing a video on this. I'll be doing a video on all these products, honestly. But yeah, I'm super excited to be using this. I need a really good detangler and deep conditioner. So at the Mielle booth, the CEO was there, and I actually took a photo with her. It's in my vlog, so check it out. But she's on the cover of Hype Hair magazine, and she's so gorgeous. She is total like girl boss goals. She also had a special guest, Rashida was there, and Kirk, so that was fun. And literally the Mielle booth was so packed, like you could not even, there was just no way to even move around. I think I stood in line to buy my product for at least 30 minutes or longer. That's how packed it was. So next, I got some Talia Waheed products, of course, because it's her World Natural Hair Show. And I really been wanting to get my hands on this apple and aloe line. So this is the new Talia Waheed products that came out, and it is the green apple and aloe with coconut. So I picked up the, let me start with this one. So this is the green apple and aloe nutrition leave-in conditioner. This is the green apple and aloe nutrition curl definer. And then this is the Hold Me Down jelly. So I will be doing a review on these three products. I think I'm going to do a braid out with these because a lot of people have been asking me to do a braid out, and like how do I get my braid out to be so flowy and natural. Moving on, Lotta Body, you guys. Lotta Body had the best deal at the show. Literally, they had this entire bag of products for $10. For all of this. This is 5 whole products. 5 full-size products, and you get a free gift. So they had already sent me a PR package that had this scarf in it, so I just got another one. I might just give it to someone or give it away. We'll see. But Lotta Body literally had all these products for $10. And inside of this is the Control Me Edge Gel, the Twist Me Curl Styling Pudding. They have the Wrap Me Foaming Mousse, the Hydrate Me Moisturizing Conditioner, and the Hydrate Me Moisturizing Shampoo. So all of this was $10. And I'm just going to take it out the bag so you guys can see. So this is the shampoo and conditioner. This is the foaming mousse. This is their edge control, which I'm super excited to use. And then this is the Twist Me, what is it? Twist Me Curl Styling Pudding. You guys know the reviews are coming with all these products I got. Okay, so moving on, Aloe Naturals was there as well, and this is their Aloe Berry Styling Gel, and it's a super pretty color. It's a really pretty pink, like jelly-like thingy, jelly-like consistency going on. Oh my god. And it smells absolutely wonderful. So I will definitely be probably doing a wash and go with this product. The last parts that I picked up are the Shine and Jam Extra Hold Edge Gel. And I also got the Shine and Jam Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil Styler. So this is a gel that you put on your hair, and I'm going to compare it to EcoStyler's Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil Gel, since this is a Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil Gel as well. And I'll just compare the two and see which one I like better, because you guys know that EcoStyler Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil Gel is my favorite gel to use. So I'm just going to see the difference between the two and which one I like better. Yeah, so I also got a bunch of samples as well. I have some Talia Waheed, some Shine and Jam, some Aunt Jackie's, some Ampro, some Honey Baby, some is it Tegan or T-Gin? I don't know. Tegan or T-Gin? I think it's T-Gin. I hope I'm saying that right. Or T-G-I-N, whatever you prefer. And I also have some Design Essentials. So all this stuff was under $50. And y'all know, products ain't cheap. I'm really pleased with the products that I got, and I'm pleased with the amount of money that I spent. I was swipe happy at that hair show, but thankfully I didn't overdo it. So yeah, guys, definitely watch my vlog so you guys can see what the hair show is actually like. And you guys can see how hectic and chaotic it was. It was such a great experience. I saw and met so many people, and it was just a really great way to spend, a Saturday, in my opinion. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you guys are excited to see me use some of these products. Let me know below which product you're most excited to see. So this is the Babassu and Mint Deep Conditioner. This is the Talia Waheed Green Apple and Aloe with Coconut. This is the Lotta Body Products, Aloe Naturals, Shine and Jam, which I've actually never used Shine and Jam before, so it'll be a first for me. But I'm excited to see how this edge control is going to work. And I'm also excited to see the difference between this flaxseed oil gel and the EcoStyler one. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Definitely stay tuned for these new product reviews. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below.